I'm going to apply my 1111 Wish Face mask and show how to apply this. So you would start straight up on the neck area, because the neck is very important, and we would just go right into the jowl area. The jowls, of course, you know, with age, you want to keep on top of these areas. So you would just go straight up, straight up, because of course gravity gets us in the end as well. So we want to make sure that we pull the skin up. And I'm going to go over her lips as well, because it is so natural and so good for the skin. It's absolutely good for face and body. And that's why I've called it the unisex face and body mask. So we're going to keep continuing to go straight up on her skin. And then the only time you change the motion is underneath the eye. So you would just go out and in, and on the top, out and in. Other than that, we just do straight up. And again, I would do a second coat. You don't want to miss any areas. And a little goes a long ways. You will get at least 30 treatments or more from this mask. It's a very good value, but it is full of vitamins. It's got your vitamin A, B6, C, D, and powerful peptides that are anti-aging. So it's really, really great for your skin. And out and in, out and in. And now we're going to let this dry on her lovely face, and you'll see the great results.